Welcome back. This is Coach Wade, your one-stop resource to help you make money, save money, and add convenience to your everyday life. Right now, on the credit card broker side of the site, and I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this resource. And today, we're actually going to take a look at rental reporters. Your rent payments can improve your credit score. Get what you deserve. We report your payments to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. A new trade line appears on your credit report. Look for your score to change within 10 days. Now, who would want to participate in our rental reporting program? Rebuilding your credit? We can help you rebuild your credit in a matter of days by reporting your last 2 years of on-time rent payments to TransUnion. In addition to this, significant payment history will have a dramatic impact on your credit and allow you to move towards credit independence. Again, credit needed is bad credit or no credit. Click on the Apply Now button to be well on your way to get access to rental reporters. Again, I will put a link in the description for the video to bring directly to this resource for rental reporters. Until we meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.